You ready to do some customized candles the easy way? Let me show you. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy. If you didn't know, and if you did, thank you so much for coming back. All right, so I have some patriotic napkins, and I get them down to 1 ply. You could use any napkin though. Think outside the box with this, right? Now I have these pillar candles from Michael's, and I'm taking my 1 ply napkin and I'm wrapping it around my candle. This is a full-on wax candle, okay? And then I just trim it so that it's not overhanging so much. And then I thought, oh, maybe I should just trim the very top, because that's a little frustrating to work with. So fine. So then we're going to wrap it around really well, like wrap the napkin around your candle how you want it. The nice things with these candles from Michael's, they actually kind of sticks to it, so it's not so bad. Anyways, so then, okay, so this is where I went wrong. I'll just tell you right away. I used wax paper. Friends, if you're going to do this technique, use parchment paper, please and thank you. Now, I wasn't so worried. Don't worry, no irons were damaged in the making of this video, but it could have been a hot mess express. So first thing is, I'm trying to figure out, apparently Dollar Tree wax paper is no bueno, but I was looking for the shiny side, couldn't find it. So finally I just decided, you know what, we're just going to wrap it around. So we had wrapped our candle with the napkin, the 1 ply napkin. Now we're going to wrap it. Again, I'm going to encourage you to use parchment paper, not wax paper. Wrap it around nice and tight, okay? You don't want that napkin moving. And now look, I've got my little iron, and I'm just going to iron it. I'm not kidding. I saw this. I can't even remember where I saw this technique. It might have been Pinterest. But holy Toledo, friends, I am blown away. Usually I would use my heat gun, and it makes a little bit more of a mess, and it's a little bit more challenging to do. This, you just iron over. Just keep ironing over all the length of your napkin to get that wax to melt, so it like absorbs the napkin. It's crazy pants. Again, I will reiterate, parchment paper, not wax paper. It was crazy. I know. But you know what? Again, because the iron is so hot, all I did, and I'll show you after, all I did was wipe it off. And it's actually fine. It's my crafting iron, so I'm not, it's fine. So then we unwrap our parchment paper. Hopefully you use that. I'm unwrapping this dumb wax paper, but quit it right now. Look at it. Can you imagine? You could do birthday stuff. You could do your favorite candle. I mean, your favorite napkin. And see, this is me just wiping it off. It wiped right off. So then all I'm doing is using a sanding block from Dollar Tree. I'm just sanding off the eggs. Words are hard. The excess. And then I turned it over and I ironed the bottom so that that excess napkin would adhere to the bottom. And that's all I did. And quit it right now. Look at it. Look at how pretty that is. I love it. It looks so good. And so I also had these smaller pillar candles. So I'm using this napkin and I'm using the stripes. And then I'm going to cut the other one so we have stars. And that's what this one looks like. Did the same process. There's the stripes, right? I am freaking out. I love it. It was so much easier. So just be prepared. I'm probably going to do a lot of these because I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Whatever. Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching. And I hope this inspires you.